guys, it's Kate back with AV Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple monogram on Cricut Design Space. First, you want to add your text, your large letter. I do Times New Roman usually because it's blocky. You want a blocky large letter. And I'm sizing it to where I want it so it's easier to work with. Then you're going to press shapes at the bottom, press square, unlock the square, and drag it to the middle of your larger letter where you want your monogram to be. I usually put mine right in the middle, and the good thing about Cricut Design Space on your iPad is that it lines up things really well for you, which is an awesome feature. The space in the middle, you want to drag across everything, press actions, and then press slice. This will take out everywhere where the square was, so as you can see I've got quite a few pieces here. You can just delete those, you don't need them. And then you're left with your large letter with the space in between. Now to make your borders on the side, you want to go back down in the shapes and press square and drag it out to where you want your border to be. And you can make it as thick or as thin as you want. I usually do pretty thin. Lines were a bit gray, so I'm going to fill it in with black so everything matches, and you can just do that in under the print section there that I just showed you. So I'm lining up my square, putting it where I want it. Okay, and once it's where I want, I'm going to go down to actions and press duplicate. You always want to duplicate it. Don't try to make it on your own because it's just going to look bad. So then I'm lining it up again and it's perfect. So that part's all ready. And then I can put my text in the middle. So for my text in the middle, it's a last name monogram. So I'm doing Baskerville. I find that looks really nice in like a modern style monogram. I'm putting the last name in, which is West, and putting it in the middle of the monogram where I think it looks good. Just like that. Happy with that. And that's how you make a monogram. I'm going to go over it one more time, just in case. Okay, with this one, I'm doing a name monogram, a first name monogram. So same thing, large letter Times New Roman, open up a shape, unlock it, drag it to where you want it, position it where you want it, how thick you want it. You can really customize these to be to your preference. Then select them all, actions, splice, take out all the insides, delete them, go back into your shapes, make your lines, make sure to change the color in print, press black. You can make them any color really. I love how Cricut lines stuff up so nicely. Super helpful. I wish it did that on the computer. Everything's lined up. Perfect. Putting their first name in. And you can play around with the fonts as much as you want. You can use cursive writing, you can use caps lock, you can use all lowercase. The options are endless with these monograms. You can even like put little swirlies in them. You can do whatever you want, but this is just the basic way to do them. And when you're done, don't forget to attach everything and also weld everything so that if you printed it on vinyl, it all stays together. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. If you could like the video, that would be awesome. If you could subscribe, that would be awesome. I'm a newer account. And yeah. So anyway, thank you so much for watching.